Hi everyone, Deb here. It's been a while, long story, won't go into that right now. I am here today with hashtag 52 weeks of colorspiration. The host of this is really Brandy at Left-Handed Crafter, and she will be linked in the title and description down below. And there have been two other people that have participated in the past. I don't think they are recently, but I'm still listing them so you can check them out as well. And this is the book we use. This is the last week of the month, the last Sunday of the month, and that's the day that Brandy and I do the same picture. And this time it's in this relaxation, bold and easy coloring book. And yeah, without further ado, okay, I used a lot of alcohol markers and they're all Stampin' Up. I use Crumb Cake Light and Dark, Pecan Pie, I think only dark on that. Poppy Parade Light and Dark, Darling Duckling Dark only, and Granny Apple Green and Old Olive Light and Dark. And then I did bring in these Artix acrylic markers I have because I don't like coloring with them. It turns out they're waterproof and brush tip, but they have some other ones. I was watching Martha Makes Art on a live not too long ago, and hers said water based, and hers she was coloring with, and worked fine. These I have trouble coloring with, and not because if you go over the line, guess what? You can't see the lines anymore. So anyway, I used them to do some textures. There's two layers of them. These ones I looked up on the set, and I bought these after watching a coloring artist actually. But these are made more for like rock painting and permanent. If you're gonna plastic maybe would be good. I don't know. It says liquid ink, no pumping, um, available on various surfaces. That seems kind of weird. Anyway, I have them. I want to use them, so I did. And I also brought in something else, but I'll show you that when we get to it. So as Brandy does, there's the back. Guess what it is? It's sort of like this picture here, but more greens and stuff. Oh, I didn't even see how they colored them. Anyway, here's what I did. So I had written down gnome house because it's a mushroom, but it's a gnome house, right? So I was thinking of doing it for fall, but I didn't have any fall. I got these on clearance at Hobby Lobby a long while back. So I thought gnome place like home, and the red actually, I didn't even plan that because I pulled these out after I did the coloring. But anyway, it has the red and sort of the gray, which I had decided to make the sidewalk gray, and I gave it kind of a cobblestone effect. And then this little sticker here, this one, and I had to put a gnome on, right? So another little mushroom with a gnome. And yeah, I think it came out cute. And I did a lot of, okay, white acrylic marker, brown acrylic marker, brown, brown, brown. There is some brown dots on the brown dots on here. This is light poppy parade, and this is dark poppy parade, and this is dark poppy parade. This is a really, maybe my light is running low because it was very light. And then I did use two greens to give stripes to the grass. And I either use stripes and dots a lot on here, and then a greener, grassy green kind of here. And I forgot to do the grass there. Oopsie. Anyway, and then I decided instead of coloring the whole background, I just used the same dot technique. Oh, the little butterfly too, landing on the mushroom is from the same sticker pack. So I think that's cute. They have some dimension though, which isn't great for in coloring books, but oh well, it'll have to do. And I used the same kind of green here down at the bottom with, again, dots. Don't know if I love that, but it just looked too white and I didn't feel like I said, coloring the whole background. So that's my page for this August 31st. And tomorrow is Labor Day here in the United States. So to celebrate all those who have worked hard. I know it has probably more deep meanings than that, but you guys can say, are you celebrating Labor Day? Have any plans this weekend? Maybe you're not even home. I have no plans whatsoever other than I've been walking, and my son's been out of work for a week and a half, not able to drive because he almost faints when he's in the car, which is weird. And we've been to the ER and at least two doctors so far, and they can't find anything. So he's doing more tests with a cardiologist now, but even the cardiologist doesn't think it's a heart issue. Um, so now we're looking at a neurologist, and we can't get an appointment with them until the end of January, which is just ridiculous. So anyway, I don't know what's going to happen with that for this week starting Tuesday. I'm probably driving him to work and driving him home at 11 o'clock at night. So that's going to be a tough week for me. I'm going to try to have some videos up, but probably not till the 10th. I might do a live on Thursday. There's no way I can do it Tuesday. He actually has a doctor appointment on Tuesday, and I think one on Thursday that I'll have to take him to, but I'm not, yeah, I might have to do it Wednesday or Friday. I don't know yet. I'll play that by ear, and if I decide I can do it, I'll put out a advance notice for it, and that'll be card making or something. And then I'm really going to try and do the collabs for the 10th, Christmas cards, the 11th, my embellishments, and then probably the 18th on my other channel, the jewelry making one. And I'd like to do the 12th envelope one also. And I'd like to get a deck the year in here one or two times this month. I just don't know, because then the week of the 11th, my friend Sue's birthday is coming up. No, I got the wrong dates. The middle week, whatever it is. Hang on. The week of the 8th. My friend Sue's birthday's on the 13th, and we usually go to a smorgasbord because they have free birthday breakfast on the day of your birthday, unless it's on a Sunday because they're closed on Sunday. But she doesn't want to go on Saturday, so we're probably going to go Thursday or Friday, the 11th or 12th. Hopefully my son is able to drive by then. I don't know. And then the following week, I'm going to be gone for a few days. So I'm having to get stuff done. I'll be working on stuff this week to pre-schedule things for those collabs, hopefully, unless something else comes up. So we'll see. All right, guys. So I'm sorry. I'm pretty sure I missed last week for this, and I'm sorry to Brandy. I was gonna try and have two pictures done, but I just didn't get to it. It's all kind of throwing my schedule off whack too, you know. Anyway, we'll get through it, and we'll see what happens going forward. So whatever will be, and you take it as it comes, right? All right, guys, take care. Have a wonderful Labor Day, a wonderful week ahead. And I don't know what your weather like is, but this last week it has been beautiful. And I have been walking most days of that, either with my daughter or just by myself here around my area. And I need to, and sometimes I have to force myself to get out the door in the morning, but I need to do it. So anyway, all right, guys, that's enough rambling on. Have a wonderful day, Labor Day, and week, and I will see you as soon as I can. Hugs, love, and peace.